So it's kind of exciting because we already have the circle there. The circle is the first part of the star. So come back to your circle. Come back, open up your compass to the exact measurement. And you might even just redraw that circle, just to feel like you have it, you haven't erased it. All right, once you have your circle and you're happy, go take your compass, go straight up underneath the arm sign to that spot. It's the inside of that circle. The point on the circle where it touches the vertical line. Then if you sweep your lead down, it should end up in the bindu. And then what you're going to do is make a mark on either side of the circle. Like a curvy mark. Then take your compass to the center again and go down. So this time I have my metal compass point at the base of the circle underneath the bindu. And I'm going to do what I just did up there, down here, making these curvy lines across the circle. It's like I was drawing a semicircle. I was just thinking, if you need more information about how to draw the Moon Yantra, there is going to be a lot of information in the one book I have on planetary yantras. It's called 9 Designs for Inner Peace. And here the 9 designs are the 9 planets, or the 9 celestial bodies, luminaries. And so there's step-by-step instructions for this yantra. There's more information about the yantra. And it's a nice book in terms of just learning about the planets and how to live in harmony with them. 9 Designs for Inner Peace. All right, now that we're talking about peace, peace is found through this 6-pointed star. So we're going to take the ruler, and just above, we have a horizontal line. Just above the horizontal line, you're going to see where those 2 little semicircle lines cross the circle. And I am going to be really looking at my central horizontal and vertical lines. They seem to be more important in the end than anything else. And now I can cross over there. Then I'll do the same thing over here. So I'm approximating how my ruler goes through those crisscrosses. What I'm really looking at even more is how this central axis is lining up. The vertical line going through the yantra and the horizontal line. And then I'll draw a line across there. So right now I have 2 parallel lines to the center. Go back up. And I'm going to make 2 triangles. So the bottom line, whichever is the bottom, goes to the opposite point. So the opposite point for this one is here. And here. You really want to make sure you're getting nice points on these triangles. And then I'll draw an inline. Once I have this, I'll go ahead and draw another 6-pointed star on the inside. So that had great points. I might look around and see if there's anything I want to kind of lighten up in terms of all these guidelines going through the middle. So we'll draw a second line, an inner line. Let's come back to the top of the yantra. You want this to be quite crisp, nice and parallel, so I'll still take my time lining this up. Just come down a little bit. I'll go around. So this double line is you're eyeballing the thickness. Honestly, it shouldn't be too thick, shouldn't be too thin. Too thick is not focusing for the eyes, so it should be thinner than thicker. I think mine is about the size of my last ring, maybe. You can always erase it and redo it if you feel like it's too thick or too thin. So there's one. The trick is in seeing they all look similar. You don't want one to be too thin. Similar-ish. So may you be in tune with the cycles of the moon. May you listen to your inner voice, connect with your intuition always, to your hunches. Take time to nourish and nurture yourself. And spend some time in your own heart space, space of devotion. So I often do a little circle around that dot at the end, you know, the dot where the compass was. This is the bindu. Generally the bindu will be painted gold. Om Cham Chandraya Namaha. Om Cham Chandraya Namaha. Om Cham Chandraya Namaha. Thank you. I will see you for the painting.